gang, that's my crew. Yeah, y'all already know what I do. Yo, stay sturdy with my crew. Stay sturdy with my crew. Yo, yo, yo. When I pull up, go boom. Yeah, I'm flying past you. Yeah, the dash in 200. Yeah, I'm gone. Yeah, I'm gone. Yo, I'm gone. You tryna race me? Yo, you dead wrong. Oh, what's good, y'all? Moto gang, gang, gang. Yo, on my way to Compton area. About to head up work, but I'm really contemplating on doing a couple of things. So let me get my thoughts out real quick. This is your boy Moto Loso. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that like button, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, all that. We drop videos pretty much every Sunday. I try to stay consistent with it. You know, I got R1 content, moto vlogging. We do group rides. So if you like that type of content, just make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. Alright? Alright. So guys, I'm really considering, you know, we had Ghosty, aka Nitro, for like a couple months now. And you know, she's a 01 carb R1. You know, it's not fuel injected. As you can hear, I just love the way this bike sounds. This bike, the exhaust of this bike is like amazing. You got all the pops, you know, the power is there. Obviously, it's a 1000cc bike. And I get compliments on my bike all the time, to be honest. It's just a nice move. Nice speed move, man. Really nice. Yeah, I get compliments on my bike all the time. And I'm really still thinking about, you know, getting that S1K with the BMW S1000, you know. I just love the way that bike looks. I'm also looking maybe at getting like an updated R1. I mean, I wouldn't be opposed to getting, of course, a newer R1 because, you know, kind of far out in generations. I can at least would be interested in. It don't gotta be a brand new 2021 R1, but you know, a following year of R1 with an undertail exhaust, I would definitely be open to that. And you know, this R1 that I'm on right now, even though it's an 01, it doesn't really have that much miles on it, to be honest. So I think I would still get a fair amount for this if I do decide to sell it. And but this bike, it's just so hard because it's like this bike does not give me really any problems. Knock on wood. I mean, God forbid. But you know, the biggest deal with this bike right now is this bearings. I really been lollygagging behind the bearings. I'm trying to run it up for y'all. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers. And I need y'all to tell a friend to tell a friend. Trying to hit that 1,000. We get it monetized on here. We popping that. But you know, I don't really mind it too much. And you know, I just think it'll be worth it if I had the 1,000 subscribers and we monetize, and then, you know, we could make something shake. You know what I mean? So that's what we looking at. I'm looking at that 1,000. What else? What else we doing, y'all? I just feel like a lot of my friends, I also like the CBRs, but a lot of the dudes I ride with that got the CBR 600RR, I think always giving problems. Like something's always going wrong on it. ton. He had the white CBR. He sold it, and because it was giving him issues. I don't know what was going on with that. I think it had like some ignition coil issues. But now you're looking at the Daytona. I think the Daytona, the 675 Daytona, I think that's kind of fire. Oh wait, I think there's one out here for sale. I don't know if he cops that. That's a W. I don't know much about those bikes though, but you know, I just think they look nice, and they look actually fairly similar to the Honda CBR 600s with like the same time period. They got the same undertail, and the front end looks pretty similar to me. So I think that's a win-win. For me, you know, having two Yamahas in the past year, I just think they're pretty reliable. You know, they run, they give you, they have the power you're looking for, and I think they just make their bikes just sound amazing. Like even if you get even the 300cc like a R3, like you put an aftermarket exhaust on there, and the pops you get on those things are amazing. So I don't know, but let me know what y'all think. You know, I don't really have a year what S1000 I'm looking at, but maybe I you know, comment down below, hit that like button if you think I should test drive an S1000 on this channel. I think that's really what I need to do. I need to sit on one, take it out on a test drive, and see if I really like it, and then go from there. And you know, another bike that's really popular right now is the Ducati Panda. So that's a good one. I wanted to ride one of those in while I was out there in Cali. If you don't know, I went to Cali like a month ago. I was gonna do a vlog for you guys. Y'all can check it out on my main channel, The Amazing Life of Chris, link in the description. But I was gonna do rideshare, and I don't know, I was just a little skeptical about doing it, just because I don't know, they was just trying to put like a big hold on my credit card to rent a vehicle. You know, that's pretty standard with renting a car. You know, but for me it was like, when you rent a car, they only hold like $200-300 maybe at most, even with like a hotel. And I was trying to get like one of their bigger insurance packages on the app. They still wanted to put like a $3,000 hold on my account. Ridiculous. So, but hey man, you can test out these more expensive bikes on there. So I don't know, it might be worth it. Comment down below if y'all ever rented a bike off a rideshare. You know, it's basically people like me and you that got a bike, and you know, let's say you don't ride it as much as I do, you can kind of put your bike up there and make some money off your bike. Or like I don't have a car note, or I mean a bike note or anything, but let's say you have a bike note and maybe you want to rent out your bike maybe like a couple times a month just to pay the car note. Shit, that's an option too. You feel me? But we'll see. I wouldn't put my bike on there. I feel like if you rent your bike out, you don't really care about it. Like, I feel like you would only put your bike on there and you don't care if it gets any scratches or anything like that. So I don't know, but let me know. It's your boy Moro Loso. We out.